Hello students, today we will discuss few more programs of LSIF. So I will discuss this first program with you. Write a program to input the electricity unit, then find out the total bill, also add the standard amount rupees 250 as per following condition. So you can see units I have taken and charge I have taken per unit. Now 1 to 100 per unit charge is 1 rupee. 200 above and up to 300, your 101 and till 200 it's 2 rupees per unit, and 200 above and up to 300 your charge is 3 rupees per unit, and 300 above your charge is 4 rupees per unit. Now how the program will going to work, just see. Import java.util.asterisk semicolon, class I have taken bill, public static void main string args. Now integer u comma s comma b is equal to 0. U I have taken for unit, s I have taken standard charge. Now b is your bill for calculation, because we have to calculate the bill in this program. Now I will take the user input for unit, sc.nextInt int bracket close. Now standard charge is your 250, so I have written 250. Now if unit is greater than is equal to 1 and unit is less than is equal to 100, you can see here 1 to 100, it is including 1 and also 100. So greater than equal to 1 and then u less than is equal to 100. Your bill is equal to unit into 1. Now because per unit the charge is rupees 1, that's why we are multiplying unit with rupees 1. Now next is your from greater than 100 and less than is equal to 200, your bill will be unit minus 100 into 2 plus 100. We add on the previous charge also in this. You can see here how we calculate the previous charge. From 1 to 100 the unit is 100, you can see. So for 100 unit, how you will calculate the charge? 100 into 1. So your previous unit is 100. So we are adding this 100 rupees in this 100 to 200 between. And for next 100 to 200 the unit are also 100. That's why we are subtracting u minus 100 and into 2, because per unit charge is rupees 2, as you can see here. Now I have added this. Now else if u is greater than 200 and u less than is equal to 300. Now between 200 and 300 also the unit are 100 only, because 300 minus 200 is 100. So what we will do, we will subtract first u minus 200 total and into 3, because per unit is 3, charge is 3, plus previous unit is your 300. Now it's 100 and it's, you can see here from this 200 to 300, in this your charge is rupees 3. So it's 100. When you subtract 300 and 200 you will get 100. 100 into 3 is your, now your previous is your 300. How we have calculated this? From 1 to 100 the unit is 100. 100 into 1 is 100, and again the unit is 100. When you will subtract these two units you will get 100. Now 100 into 2 is your 200. 200 plus this 100 you will get 300. So we will add this 300 over here, your previous charge. Now if unit is greater than 300, now if your unit becomes greater than 300 the charge is 4 rupees per unit. So again u minus 300 into 4 plus your previous is 600. 300 we have calculated till here, and now for this also 100 into 300 is 300. 300 plus this 300 is your 600. So we will add this 600 over here, and now bill is equal to bill plus your standard charge. Your standard charge is 250. This you have to pay. Now total bill plus b, and this let's take an example for this how it will work. Let's say I have inputted the unit as your, I have inputted unit
as your 220. So according to if condition, it lies between your this greater than 200 and less than, it lies between these two values. So unit is 220. So 220 minus 200 is your 20, and 20 into 3 is your 60. 60 plus 300 is your 360. Now 360 is your bill, and bill plus 250 is equal to 360 plus 250. This will be your answer, 610. Here it will print 610.
Now your next program is write a program to input the price of a product, then give discount, find out the after discount value as per the following. Now in the previous program we have taken the program per unit charges, so we were adding the previous value, but now in this we have taken discount, so we will not going to add any previous value in this. Now the price is 1 to 1000 and discount is 10% on that price. Now 1000 above and up to 2000 discount is at 20%, and 2000 above your discount is your 30%. Now import java.util.string class discount. I have taken public static void main string args. Now integer p comma d comma ad. P is your price, D is your discount, and AD is your after discount. These are the variables I have taken. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. Price is equal to sc.nextInt. Here we will enter the price. Now if P is greater than is equal to 1 and then P less than is equal to 1000. So if the value lies between these two values, so discount will be your 10%. So D is equal to P into 10 upon 100. Now else if price is greater than 1000 and price is less than is equal to 2000, and discount is 20%. So P into 20 upon 100. Next is condition is P greater than 2000. Now for this discount is 30%. So D is equal to P into 30 upon 100. Now after discount, price minus D, you will get the value after discount. Now your final value will be plus AD and bracket close. Now let's take an example. Let the price be 500. I have inputted the price as 500. Now it lies between your this condition, P greater than is equal to 1 and P less than is equal to 1000. So for this discount is 10%. So 500 into 10 upon 100. Your discounted value will be 50 rupees. This is your discount offered. So 50 is your discount and your price was 500. And after subtracting, after discount, you will pay 450 to the shopkeeper. So your final will be 450. So this will print here 450. Thank you, students.